Hello everyone, there is a vacancy for the Junior Research Fellow under a SERB funded project at the Department of Chemical Science, Indian Institute of Science, Education and Research, Kolkata. Here SERB means Science and Engineering Research Board. Now, there is a position for Junior Research Fellow which is available in the research group of Dr. Supratim Banerjee, who is Associate Professor in the Department of Chemical Science, IISER, Kolkata. The research work involves the synthesis of small chromophore-based organic molecules and exploration of their photoresponsive luminescent properties, bioanalyte sensing and light harvesting feature in the self-assembled state in aqueous media using various spectroscopic like absorption and emission spectroscopy and microscopic techniques. Now the title of project, as I have already mentioned here, and the second, the funding agency, which is SERB, which is Science and Education Research Board. Principal investigator will be Dr. Supratim Banerjee, Associate Professor, Department of Chemical Science. Remuneration will be 31,000 per month and HRA, which is 24%. Tenure, initially will be for a period of 1 year, extendable up to 2 years depending on the satisfactory performance. The basic eligibility criteria: MSc in chemistry or integrated BSMS with minimum 60% marks or minimum CGPA of 7.5. So this is basic eligibility criteria. You must have MSc in chemistry with minimum 60% marks or minimum CGPA of 7.5. Now the seventh point is desirable additional experience and qualification. Desirable additional experience means if you will have this qualification, you will have better chances to get this position. So the desirable additional experience and qualification is qualified UGC, CSIR, NET, including LS or GATE examination. Preference will be given to candidate with an exposure to synthetic organic chemistry and or spectroscopic technique. Now the age limit must not be over 28 years as on 15th November 2022, which can be relaxed for certain reserved category as per the rules of the Government of India. Relaxation in age, educational qualification or experience may be considered in case of exceptionally meritorious candidate. Now, how to apply? A detailed CV along with the scanned copy of the qualification document as per given below list must be emailed to this email ID, which you can see here, supratim.banerjee@isercol.ac.in. Now the qualification document is, first is graduation mark sheet, second is post graduation mark sheet, third is GATE or NET qualification certificate. If you have qualified GATE or CSIR, UGC, NET or JRF exam, then you will need to submit the qualification certificate. The most important thing, last date for application, it is 12th of November 2022. So if you want to apply for this position, then 12th November 2022 is the last date. Interview. So interview of shortlisted candidate will be online. So this is a good thing that it will be an online interview. Tentative date for this interview is 15th November 2022.